Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by signing into the Xbox account that purchased Jules Grappler. This ensures you can access subscriptions. Once signed in, press the Xbox button to open the guide, then go to Profile and System and select Settings. This is where billing and subscriptions live. Make sure you confirm the payment method and check recent purchases so you recognize the Jules Grappler entry. This step avoids canceling the wrong item and prepares you to navigate to subscriptions quickly without interruptions. Once in Settings, go to Account then Subscriptions to surface all active items tied to your Xbox profile. You'll scan the list for Jules Grappler. If you don't immediately see it, check Microsoft Store purchases or the platform used for the purchase. When you locate Jules Grappler, select Manage so you can see billing cycle and renewal date. This tells you why canceling now prevents the next charge. Choose Cancel or turn off recurring billing, and follow the on-screen confirmations to proceed. After selecting Cancel, confirm when prompted and note the effective date and any refund details. You'll want that record. Once done, restart your console or sign out and sign back in so the subscription state refreshes across services. If Jules Grappler still appears active, verify purchases on any family member accounts or the Microsoft account email used at purchase. If problems persist, contact Xbox support with your order ID. They can locate the charge and finalize.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.